Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just walked inside of Dollar Tree and the first display that I see is right here, and I've never seen these before. These are some double scented markers and these are really big. Look at that compared to this. Look at how big that is. But these are scented. They call it Twixy and Mega Poster. So you got black licorice and blueberry muffin. The pictures on them are so cute. Look at that. These would be cute for back to school. Then you got bubblegum and fruit punch on those. And then this one says four bright bold colors and scents. So they're double-ended. So you get fruit punch, blueberry muffin, and it looks like blueberry cheesecake. And they got different ones. These ones right here are washable, and it comes with 3 in a pack instead of 2. Look at all of those fragrances. That's cute. That's cool. I like the banana. And they do have different ones. Ooh, birthday cake, strawberry, apple. Okay. And those ones are washable still. And then this set right here says neon. But look at that picture. It has a little unicorn. And those are the fragrances on those. That's cool. I've never seen those before. I'm tempted to get some, but I don't know. I gotta check with my kids first. Wow. Okay, so you guys remember the last time I showed you these baskets? The other store I was at did not have all of this. Whoa. Okay, so these are little containers. There's 3 of them. So you can put like pencils or whatever in these, and they do have all the colors. I like those. You got this style right here. Okay. A little smaller. They got all the same colors. So I love how they have everything in like pastel. They got this one. Let's see. Those are, well, these are a little bit, I don't know. Can you see the difference? Let me see if I can pick it up. So see how this one in my hand is in height. It's bigger, and that one is more in kind of like width, I think. I don't know, but they have a lot of different sizes. And then you even have these that are kind of like flat. So that style. And is that the same? Yeah, those are kind of the same. So wow, look at all of that. And I love the way they displayed that. That's cool. Oh look, they got some new hand sanitizer. Coconut and lime. And they come in a little carrying case. And they're big too. This is 3 ounces. 3 fluid ounces. So coconut and lime. Pomegranate and vanilla. And cucumber and melon. Here are the cute little cactuses that I recently showed you guys. Somebody said, what did she say? She said, if you line them up like this, I think she said, welcome. Let's try it. I think she said, put them like that. And it'll say, welcome home, kiss me. That's what one of you guys said in my comments. That was cute though. So they do have those here and those. I see more of the wishing jars. Here's a quick look at some of their books. They have them sitting out like this every night. Pretty intense. The 90-day mind, body, and food. The 90-day mind, body, and food plan. I was saying it right. That will absolutely change your life. By Danica Patrick. Oh, I like her. Okay, I didn't even know she had a book. Jackson and other dispatches from 50 years of reporting on race in America. Wow. Okay. You know what? I might get that one. Let's see. Buffering. Transforming Inner Power into Radiant Beauty. Forward by Caitlyn Jenner. Okay. That's interesting too. Oh, okay. So here's the cute little dishes that I've actually seen on Instagram. The Soap and Suds little soap dish, and they have it in blue. There's a blue down there, that teal color, white, gray. Then they got these brush and floss in the same colors. And down here you got lather, rinse, and repeat. And I know these were starting to be kind of popular. I think people were saying that it looks like Rae Dunn. I mean, it kind of does. It's cute. And they do have the same colors back there. There's gray and there's navy blue. Right here they have some Bountiful Harvest multigrain chips. And this is cheddar cheese flavor. And this is 2.75 ounces. Okay, you guys, that is it for my Dollar Tree. I am going to wrap this up. Yes, I am still, I know some of you guys are wondering, I am still down here by my regular house. I haven't moved in completely to the new house, so I haven't even explored any stores up there yet, but that should be coming up this week. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll talk to you all in my next one. Okay, bye.